Hey everybody, it's Tom Lyons here from realmarkai.com and terralions.ca or Team Lions in Belleville, Ontario. And there's a couple things that I thought you guys would really love to see today. One of them was this article that I ran across today, which was regarding YouTube thumbnails and what type of facial expression performed best on the thumbnail for videos that had gone viral or on channels that do extremely well. And I don't know if it's really a surprise or not a surprise, but the facial expression of surprise did best, making up 27% of the popular thumbnails. And then the next was happy. What did surprise me a little bit, though, was that two different expressions didn't do well. So obviously, sad or disgusted didn't do well. Nobody, but calm and confused did well on certain channels, and even fearful did well on certain channels. So it was a case that they probably had to test it in the niche that they were in. I think for our niche, for the real estate niche, surprised and happy is going to do extremely well. Of course, you want to try different facial expressions to see how they're going to do. So the other tool that I wanted to show you today was Taja AI. This I picked up as an AppSumo deal off of appsumo.com for a lifetime, and I really like it. And what this tool does is it optimizes your videos for you. It will even keep thumbnails or create thumbnails for you, which you can see below this one here. So what you do is there's a few things you can do with it. One, you can upload a video. So you go to your YouTube channel and you go, you know what, I would like, let's take one that isn't here. This one, get weekly news for your social media. Okay, so I have not optimized this one at all. You take the link for your YouTube video, you paste it in here, you add context. So say instructional video on creating a local news alert. And then you ask it to optimize it. And so it will look at your channel and it will look at your video and decide what might be the best new title for it and what might work for a description, give you thumbnails. So similar to how Realmark pulls out some of that information for your listing description, this does it for any video. So here we go, automate local news alerts with AI magic. It likes that score the most, so you select it. And then it's already written the new description for it, broke into channels for people, given appropriate hashtags, but you might want to put more in, like make.com, automation, real estate. So you can add and edit this as you go. It will give you the tags to use, and so you can go through and decide if you like those. And then it will also generate a thumbnail for you. So you just go generate thumbnail, wait that out. So there we go. So it couldn't find my face, but in other ones it actually finds my face, and away it goes. But like this one's pretty good, like to get attention. This one's not bad for getting attention. I like this one, except for the spelling mistake that came in, but geez, pretty darn good. Automate news alerts, two L's now with the AI magic. So the AI is getting so much better at text lately. It's really crazy good that it can do it. But let's pick this one. It's not horrible. And I can download that image if I want to, and then put a picture of myself, like go into something like Canva, put a headshot in there of me looking surprised or me looking happy or me pointing at something, and fix it up. But we'll take it for what it is. And then all you need to do is you just go sync to YouTube, make the video public, and boom, it's synced it up. So now if I go back to my studio, and we'll look it up. So you can see now it's updated the title for me, completely different title. It's updated the description. It's updated all this sort of information. And then if I go down to tags and stuff, look at all new tags are in here. Everything is ready to go. So the only thing that I have to do is I have to manually change my thumbnail, which I mean is not too hard. So we'll just go over to Taja, cancel. We'll go over to Taja. And you just click on the edit, and then I can add text if I wanted to. We're not going to here, but we're just going to download it, and we'll get there we go. So thumbnail JPEG, we go back and we upload our new thumbnail and we save. And so now, you know, I've got better hashtags, I've got better tags, I've got a better description, I've got a better title, and I've got a thumbnail that's going to stand out better. And if we go back and look at the content of my channel, this immediately stands out better than this one above. Like this is the thumbnail that I created before, and this clearly stands out in this channel. If somebody saw this scrolling by, they're more likely that this would catch the eye. Now, I think it would be more important if I had a title on it as well, so that people understood immediately what this video was about. So the background's really sharp, but it still needs a title. This one was one that it created and it grabbed my face at the same time. If we look at that, instantly transform spaces, right? And so right off the bat, they can see what this is about. I've got the surprise look. It grabbed this image off of the video itself and put it in there, and then created this background to put in it. So I really love this tool for that. If you have any questions about them, just fire off. If there's a tool you want me to evaluate or show, but let me know. I'm more than happy to take a look at that. And we'll see you next week.